Jupiter past forward motion by our classical text Jyotisarnabha, result and planetary condition when any planet is atichar or fast forward motion, and how many planets particularly in the zodiac, in the sky, they perform this atichara motion, fast forward motion, atichara gati. Then by the Shastra, by the classical text, evam meenam langhayitva sighram yati grahantaram yada khetastada bruya dati charo gruhastatu, means this 5 planets, particularly Saturn, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Mercury, these 5 planets, they have a particular time period for atichara or fast forward moment. And this moment, the duration of these 5 planets for fast forward motion is ardhamasam dasahani dvipakhyati dasa masa satmangaladina maticharo prakratitaha. So the Mars atichara means fast forward moment for 15 days, and same in Jupiter tripakshe means 45 days. Buddha, Mercury and Venus dasadine 10 days, and Sadamasam Jasani 6 months Saturn. So and another sutra is there, Maha Atichara Sutra, means very long time fast forward moments. So the sutra is like Atichara gata kheta statrai bukurute stitam tada mahatiracharaha syadyukto jyoti vidambarai, means all the planets are, when they are fast forward motion, when they just not return back to their back sign, then this condition is called Maha Atichara. And this is, those who are very intellect and ancient astrologer, they explained about this Atichara or fast forward motion. So what type of result when this Atichara, one is Atichara, another is Atichara. So this sutra is like this. The first one is basic result of Jupiter in different houses. The sutra is like this. Bhayam janmyajya janayati dhanastortha matulam trutiyenge klesham disachit chaturthetha vishamam subham putrastane subhamapi cha kuryad barigrihe gyune bhubrut pujam dhana nichaya nasayancha nidhane dharmagato dhana bruddhi karhasyat pritiharo dasame marapujyaha stana dhanadi dadati sachaye dvadasa gatastanu manasa pidam. So in which place, what kind of result at the time of general moment, and if it is in Atichara and Atichara result, the result is more into 3. So bad result or good result. But in Atichara, the result is not so good. So the translation of this sutra is Janma Rasi Brihaspati, when it is in your first house, or the Atichara moment will start from Gemini. So Bhayam, so the result is fear. And when it is in second, it is a excessive money, benefit of money or property. Tritiye Sarirah Klesha, in third house, physical problem. Chaturthe arthahanischa. In fourth house, loss of money, loss of property. Panchame sarvamangala, sashte amangala prada. Then sixth house is not good, is very amangala prada. Saptame te nrupati, and it is in the seventh house, it is like kingly result. Ashtame dhananasa, bhagya dhana bruddhi. So in eighth house, severe loss of property. Dasame pranaya bhanga, and this is when you are in the pleasure and happiness, it creates disturbance in your life. And ekadasasthane drabya labha, and if it is 11, then drabya labha yoga. And dwadase sarira manasa pida, and in 12th transit, it will provide you physical and mental pain. And now you put this formula in your birth chart and your sign, that how will Guru Jupiter at the time of Ati Chara. This is not Ati Chara. Generally people say fast forward motion. No, it is fast forward motion. It is a higher than that forward motion. Because Ati Chara Sutra is like this, that only Tripakshe, but it is Ati Chara. Now by Jataka Darpanam, Parasara Jataka Darpanam, it explains like this. Pidito gatani pidita sada chintaya cha paraya samanmitaha vyagrito bahumada dattaha uman buddhi roga sahito visesatvaha. So in this time when Jupiter Ati Chara means it is in pidita avastha, then first solution is roga yukta chinta yukta. First is excessive disease, and such kind of disease, those you just not know anything about that disease, and no past history of that disease, a new kind of diseases. Chinta yukta, unnecessary fear, phobia, and excessive thinking. It may say overthinking, over traffic in the mind. Unmadana, unmadana is another part of that overthinking. Uncontrolled behavioral pattern. This is unmada. Vyagra. Vyagra means, in English, that is called excessive reaction before action, or without listening you act more. It's overreaction. You may say like this, Vyagrata. Or is a stress, tension, depression, isolation. It is a excessive reactive mentality. Vyagra manasaka. And manasika and saririka roga pida, mental diseases. Maximum more people mentally ill due to this, and those who are they feel we are in sound mind, they just not. This is the basic result. Though I found all this thing from this kind of classical text. So this is basic thing. We will later on will discuss more about the Atichari, Atichari. Now you may use this word because by the classical text it is not Atichara, it is Atichara. Thank you.